Finally, I'm at MEERU Island and this is so beautiful.
And we've got two receptions. Main reception, 24 hours, located behind the bar over there. We've got gift shop, jewelry shop, photo studio, and the iPads for you to book the excursions. And your room, no problem. Jacuzzi water, free to 5. Your room is somewhere here. Your main restaurant over this one, number 3, Parivaru. Free meals included, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Perfect.
And you can visit 4 more bars in case you would like to purchase some snacks or some other drinks.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was.
And I'm going to my water villa, 325. Hey guys, welcome to my jacuzzi water villa. Let me give you a real quick tour. When you enter, on the left there is a bedroom. You get the TV, you get the king size ultra comfortable bed. On the left hand side is the side table. On it you get a JBL speaker with alarm on it, and you have this comfort menu so you can order these things if you need it. And then it's a beautiful roof with the classiest wall decor. You have a side sofa, you get fresh fruits, and right outside the bedroom, can you see that? Yes. Before that, let me show you, we have a sunbathing bed, and you get some life safety tools, and right down the stairs is the paradise. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot tell you how breathtaking views this is. Oh my god. Let me take you inside. Let's go inside. Okay, because it's huge. So after I come out of the bedroom, this right here is your private bar section. You have everything you want: beer, wine, do not disturb signs, some munchies, and the best part was this coffee machine. This was my lifesaver. Awesome. And here is the map for MEERU Island Resort and Spa in case you want to wander around. Let me take you to the bathroom real quick. You see how spacious this is. This is real cool. You have everything you want, and right there is a shower area, and apart from shower you have jacuzzi. I'm going to get inside real soon. And when you go outside the bathroom area, you have a little more area left, which will be my vanity area. And right here is your safe, your cupboard area. They've given you 2 life jackets and other accessories you may need if you want to go in swimming or snorkeling. You have umbrella, anything and everything you need for emergency. And as I said, this will be my vanity. I'll get ready here. And the second best part is this full-size mirror. I'm going to take my OOTDs here.
black eyes, make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lights, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes.
teri wearing this ruffle dress. So I'm going for sunset punch cruise, hoping to see a lot of dolphins, and I'll see you in a bit.
My name is Anjali. I will escorting you to the boat, so don't worry, I will not put you on one boat. Today we will go 3 boats, so if you are friend or family you would like to go on the same boat, just stay together. For the trip we will take time around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we will come back around 6:15 or 6:30 after sunset. And on board we serve you with punch, non-alcoholic. Just 1 hour. Alright. So you can see the white boat over there have 2 levels. So if you would like to go on your sun deck, you can go, but you have to remove your shoe first and then you can going up. I hope you get a good view of sunset. And when you're taking picture, please take care of your phone or camera. Please do not drop inside the water because we cannot take it back for you, okay? And dolphin, they like to eat it as well. But for dolphin, I cannot guarantee 100% because I cannot call dolphin for you. But I hope you good luck with that. Yep, you bring your luck, right?
Al die boten helemaal vol waren en dan blijven wij met het laatste over.
Pakken we dan de derde boot.
Ja, pakken wij
I'm living best days of my life.
inside yourself, write your symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me in. I'm not a mark, barely your friend, drowning in and you my heart, falling the leather, least my regret. Is this all you want?
Hey guys! So it's my last day in Maldives. Tomorrow I'll be checking out and going back to Delhi. I'm so sad already because I don't want to leave this place. It's been amazing. And look at the view. Look at the sky. How amazing. This is how I'm trying to shoot myself. That's me. Hi. And it's been amazing trip of my lifetime. I mean, the first international trips are always special. I'm glad that I chose Maldives. It was so relaxing. I mean, it's the most peaceful place I've ever been. So serene. It gives you a lot of things to do. It's very beautiful just to relax, I mean, unwind, and at the same time it's adventurous. You can go for so many water sports options right here. We went snorkeling in that water and experienced the coral reef, marine life out there. I'm feeling blessed, and I don't want to go in that chaotic, crowded life again because look at this. This is so good. This is so amazing.
All in your head.
I'm wearing this play suit and we're just checking out. I'll have to go back. It's so sad.